Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to today's video where I'm going to do a full face makeup tutorial using all Bellapierre Cosmetics products. I am so excited to be playing around with makeup right now and so excited to try out all of these beautiful products that I have in front of me right now. So Bellapierre Cosmetics sent me an amazing PR box with so many products, which is how I'm going to be able to do a full face of Bellapierre Cosmetics. So I always want to give a disclaimer when products are sent to me for free. This is not a sponsored video, but I haven't tried any of these products in front of me, so I'm going to be able to do a review as well, like first impressions. But Bellapierre Cosmetics is like a related brand, like a sister brand, I don't know, like they are part of the same brand family as Rachel Couture. So I did already do a Rachel Couture Cosmetics makeup tutorial here on my YouTube channel. I did it for a Valentine's Day makeup look and I was blown away by the products. So that makes me even more excited to try out Bellapierre. And I also have a discount code. It's KB15 and that will get you 15% off your purchase for Bellapierre and Rachel Couture. So that's a really generous discount. And so I'm gonna go ahead and start with this product here. I'm so excited about it. This is the Bellapierre Cosmetics BB Cream. I'm gonna be trying out the shade Fair Cool, and this is anti-aging, mineral pigments. It's a 4-in-1 product with concealer, foundation, SPF 20, and moisturizer. It's very nice packaging. It has this cool pump, interesting shape to it. So I'm gonna put some onto the back of my hand. And I feel like with a BB cream, sometimes I would just apply it almost like a moisturizer with my finger. So I'll try that technique out and then maybe afterwards I'll try a sponge. Oh, wow. Look at that coverage. Oh my gosh. This really has incredible pigment. Okay, a little goes a long way. I actually may have to use the sponge to help kind of blend out excess product. But so as you can see, I have redness in my cheeks. I want to cover that up. I've got large pores on my nose, my cheeks, and so I love to get some good coverage, but I also want it to look like skin. I don't want to see like a foundation texture, so I'm very picky with my face products, like my complexion products. It is blending out fine with my finger, but I feel like it would just be faster and easier with the sponge. But oh my gosh, I only picked up a little bit and I was able to do like more than half of my face. So yeah, I'm just gonna go over it now with the dampened beauty sponge. Oh yeah, this is working great too. Quickly smooth out any of that excess product. Ooh, and this is looking really skin-like and smooth on the skin. I love that. I'm gonna pick up a little bit more on the sponge now and try and get a bit more coverage over this redness. I feel like this shade is pretty good. I like that it gets very fair in their shade range. The only thing I don't have today that I'm already wearing on my face makeup wise is brows. I already did fill in my brows, by the way. So I was able to build this up to about a medium coverage, but before I go any further, just let me show you the difference with it versus without it. It really does look like natural skin, just a bit more enhanced, which I love. But it looks so natural, you can't even tell that I'm wearing makeup on my skin. And the fact that there are imperfections peeking through with the medium coverage, I think that actually helps it look even more natural, and I like that. I just love to look like I'm not wearing foundation. And it's also a very natural finish. It's not matte, it's not too glowy, just very like a skin-like finish to it as well, which adds to how natural it looks even more. Because it's not that full coverage, even though this says it's a 4-in-1 with concealer, for me this is not quite enough concealer, or enough coverage for a concealer, so I'll still go in with a concealer. But wow, I love how my skin is looking now. I have no complaints about this BB cream. Like, I really like this. But since I don't have a Bellapierre Cosmetics concealer, I'm going to go in with the Rachel Couture concealer, which I love. I have been using this a lot. And I'm just going to use this here for my under eyes where I really want that coverage. So this really helps to brighten the under eyes, help cover those dark circles, and it looks also so smooth on the skin, a very undetectable texture, which I love. And now to set all of that, I have the Bellapierre Cosmetics Banana Setting Powder in medium. You know, actually, maybe I have tried this before. And I think the medium version is going to be a little too dark for me. So I actually already have in my collection the Bellapierre Cosmetics HD Finishing Powder. And this is in translucent, so I'm going to go in with this one instead. I love that this one comes with the little puff. So I'm going to use this to set the concealer, and then I'll just do a little quick dusting along the rest of my face. And this really is giving a beautiful, filtered, smoothed out look to the skin. And this concealer, it creases slightly, so I like to set it with a powder. But oh my gosh, the Bellapierre and the Rachel Couture powders are just so good. They're so finely milled that they just blend in so easily, seamlessly, smooth. And actually, speaking of their powders, I actually have the Mineral Blush in the shade Desert Rose, which is like a loose powder type product, and I am so excited to try this. I love that this is called Desert Rose. That's what I think I really look for in a blush. Like, I love a rosy, like, yeah, like a little bit more of like a sun-kissed, a little bit more bronzy, peachy rose color. This looks so pretty. Great pigment. I think I'm still gonna apply it with a blush brush. Just gonna pick some up like this. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And see, it does blend out so easily and smooth and really diffuses. I just love the powder texture. And great pigment, great flush of color. I feel like it's a little easy to go in with a lot since this is so pigmented. And with the loose powder, I feel like I'm more likely to pick up a lot. At least it does blend out so easily, but I can go over it with a sponge afterwards to kind of tone it down a little bit. But I'm loving what that did to the complexion. Really gave life to my face because I'm doing a very easy, more of like a quick type makeup look with the products I have here. So this is all I'm doing for my complexion. I'm not going to contour, bronze. So this is what's giving the life to my face. And I really like it. It's a beautiful color. Okay, quick, easy, very natural looking complexion makeup. I love it. Now let's move on to the eyes. I have these two beautiful eyeshadow palettes. This one here is the Bellapierre Cosmetics Safari Eyeshadow Palette, 35 colors. Wait until you see this. This is incredible. I love that there are a lot of like brown, earthy tones in here, which is what I am most gravitating towards usually when creating eyeshadow looks, but then you still have those really fun pops of color. And then this one here is the Bellapierre Cosmetics Everyday Nude 12 color eyeshadow palette. This also is right up my alley, and look at how beautiful this one is as well. I love it. I'm going to do a mix of both of these palettes because why not? I am going to start first in the nude palette and just pick up this very light matte shade here because I'm going to use this to set the eyelids. And this is really just to be a base color and cancel out a little discoloration. And this is great for that. It's doing a perfectly good job of it. Going into the Safari palette next, I'm going to go for this matte light tan shade to be that, I always forget the stuff that I like to do with the highlight. So actually, right above that, I'm going to pick up this highlight shade. Oh, that looks beautiful. Now I'm going to use this to highlight right under the brow bone. Oh my gosh, I may have picked up too much. This is pigmented and bright. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at how that really highlights the brow bone. I'm going to also use this same color in the inner corner. So nice and brightening. Love this for the highlight shade. All right, now back into that brown shade to put into that crease transition area. Sometimes I'll use two different colors for this. Other times, if I'm trying to do a little bit more minimal, easy look, I'll use that same light brown shade to go from the crease here up to the brow bone, and then that blends over the highlight. So then you've got the perfect placement of the highlight shade. And I'm loving every eyeshadow I've used so far. Pigmented, easy to use, blendable. This crease transition shade is perfect. It's giving that depth, dimension, contour effect to the eye, which is my purpose of using a brown in that area. I'm just going to kind of alternate between the palettes. Why not? Next, I'm going to deepen up that outer corner. I'm going to go for this beautiful dark burgundy shade. And once again on a fluffy brush to keep it a little bit easier, a little bit more diffused, I'm going to place this right there into that outer corner. And oh my gosh, this color is perfect for this. It gives that dimension, lifted effect to the eye. Ooh, I love that. I'll blend it into the crease as well so that it's all cohesive, but also bringing it out a little bit. Ooh, wow. Yeah, I already know this nude palette is going to be a go-to for me. It is so easy to use, but it has such beautiful complementary shades to do the types of looks that I do most often. The more casual, kind of just enhance the eye shape type looks. Love that. I love what this is doing for the eye. Now let's pick up a fun color from the Safari palette. I love these kind of animal print effects. I'm going to go for this one here. It's like a shimmery brown and white. Oh my gosh, so pigmented. And I'm going to put this onto the rest of the eyelid. Oh my gosh, this looks so perfect with the colors I'm already wearing. Considering I'm using two palettes and kind of just choosing a little bit at random, it's such a cohesive look. I love this. This is seriously like a go-to quick, easy eyeshadow look that I would do for any time, day, night, any season. Such an easy go-to. Just to enhance the eye, put in a little bit of effort, even though it looks like a lot more than it is. That is so beautiful. And then it's just this kind of easy color scheme that I'm just going to pop on some mascara. It's not so intense that I feel like I'm going to need lashes with it, but of course you could definitely wear lashes with this look as well. And for my mascara, I'm trying out the Bellapierre Cosmetics Pompous Lash Volumizing Mascara. Ooh, beautiful packaging on this here. Let's see what the wand looks like. Wow, I love this packaging. Ooh, this looks like a good wand. It's got a lot of bristles, but they're small, really close together, spiky kind of silicone bristles. Oh wow, yeah. I definitely feel it gripping and getting every lash. And yet, it does not go on clumpy because it doesn't go on with very much. I feel like I'm gonna have to dip back in already. Like, this wand does not have much product on it. And it's so far, like, it's not coating the ends of the lashes very well. So let's see if I can kind of tap on the ends to get it to stick there. Okay, yeah, that seems to be working fine. But so far, not messy. I got a little bit on my inner eye just because I keep touching over there, but the eyelid is clean so far, which I love. This is giving good volume and separation to the lashes. Let's see how it is on these lower lashes. It's good. Didn't get on my under eye. I love that. The only thing that I'm not loving about this so far is that I have to keep dipping back in to pick up more mascara because I love to layer it up. But it is nicely buildable and the lashes are still staying separated. So it really is giving that falsy effect. So I don't even need to wear false lashes to complete this eyeshadow look. Oh yeah, I love the fluttery effect it gave to my lashes. I'll let this dry on the inner corner and we'll see how it wipes away or if it smudges. But I love this finished eyeshadow look. So pretty, glam, but like a soft glam, toned down effect. And just very simple, quick, easy. That's my personal favorite type of makeup look. The most realistic makeup look that I'll do. And this gives a little bit of curl, but I would still want to use a lash curler with this. My lashes are so straight these days. I wish I knew a trick to get my lashes to be more lifted and curled naturally on their own. But yeah, definitely a great mascara. I'm going to start using this as part of my daily makeup routine. I use a few mascaras most days and I'm excited to add that to my collection. This did not get any mascara on my under eye or my eyelid, and that's amazing, especially when I've already done my eyeshadow. So the final touch of this quick, simple, easy Bellapierre Cosmetics makeup look is some lipstick, of course. And I have here their mineral lipstick in the shade Catwalk, which I should have kind of planned ahead of time what eyeshadow look would go with this lipstick, but luckily this type of eyeshadow look goes with any lipstick or any look outfit, I feel like. Like even my very colorful sweater I'm wearing today, it goes with that. Ooh, love the packaging on this as well. It kind of goes with that mascara. Oh my gosh, such a pretty color. Let's do a swatch first. Oh my gosh, I love it. It looks kind of similar to my natural lip color too, which I really like when a lipstick is just like my lips but better. Oh my gosh, wow. What a beautiful, creamy, pigmented formula. And even without a lip liner, I was able to get the exact precise shape that I wanted to achieve. Oh, this is so pretty. I love this finished makeup look, and I love this lip with the eye. It does make the lip color pop a little bit, but it's also just such a beautiful, flattering shade. And I have dry lips, but this feels so comfortable. My lips don't look dry. It's moisturizing. Wow, so pretty. And here we have my finished look. So quick, simple, easy, an everyday type of look. I love it. And every product that I tried out from Bellapierre Cosmetics was awesome. I'm seriously such a big fan of Bellapierre Cosmetics and Rachel Couture Cosmetics products. Like, I highly recommend everything from these brands. And so if you've tried anything, let me know in the comments down below what are your favorite products. But if you are interested in trying some out, you're going to purchase some, make sure to use KB15 so you can save that 15% off your purchase. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.